Arborist, North Lakes. At Caboolture Tree Removal and Tree Lopping, we specialize in professional tree care to enhance the safety and appearance of your property. Our tree lopping services remove dead or overgrown branches, promoting healthy growth and reducing hazards. Certified arborists provide expert care, from trimming to complete tree removal, ensuring safe and efficient service. For land development, our land clearing solutions efficiently remove vegetation, debris, and unwanted structures. If storm damage leaves dangerous trees, our emergency tree removal team acts swiftly to prevent risks. We proudly serve North Lakes, Caboolture, Burpengary, and surrounding areas, offering affordable, professional tree services tailored to your needs. Contact us today.